Hello. Recently Java has released its latest version Java 17. In this video, we will install Java 17 on Windows 10 operating system. We will also run a simple Java program to verify our installation. So first we will verify if Java is already installed in our system. Open command prompt and type command java -version. If you see this message, it means that Java is not present in your operating system. That is, Java is not installed. So we will go ahead and install Java. Search for JDK download on your browser. Open link from oracle.com. You can see that Java 17 is available now. And it is available for 3 operating systems: Linux, Mac OS and Windows. In this tutorial, we will install for Windows 10 operating system. So let's go ahead and download 64-bit installer. Installation will take few minutes according to your internet speed. Now you can see our download is almost completed. So once download is completed, click on this exe file. Okay, now you can see that our installer has loaded. So just click on next, and here you can see path where your Java will be installed. If you want, you can change that path or just click next to begin with installation. So now our installation has completed. There is next steps button. If you want to read documents, you can click from this option or just close to end our setup. Now we will re-verify if Java is installed in our system. So open command prompt and once again run command java -version. Now you can see that Java 17 is already installed on our system successfully. Now I will create one simple Java program, a hello world Java program, and we will try to run that program with Java 17. So I will just run this program from command prompt. So I'm creating this simple program on notepad instead of IDE. Okay, now we will try to compile and run our code. So change the directory to path where your code is saved. Now with dir command, I'm just checking where my file is located. So you can see hello-world.java is in this directory. Now we will run java c, that is java compile command, to compile our code. Okay, so compilation is successful. Let's try to run our program. You can see that the class file is already generated after compilation. Now I will just run java hello-world.java, and you can see we have successfully executed our Java program with Java 17 JDK. Java 17 has a new interesting feature called as sealed class. I have created a simplified video for this feature. Just click on I button and you can find that video. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.